So I'd like to ask both of you, how can citizens respond? Maybe Jennifer, we'll start with you.
I think the most important thing that citizens can do is talk to one another in public spaces, is to come out from social media, is to actually engage with those with different views. I mean, one of the interesting things that I saw in the data that was prepared for this festival is that overwhelming majority of people believed that they were able to speak to others without necessarily saying things that would offend them or use language that would be offensive. They were optimistic in their ability to do that. So despite the fact that they believed that, civil discourse is eroding, when they were asked, do you believe that you can engage with someone else respectfully? They said, yes, I believe I can. So if the majority of us believe that, we need to do more of that. We need to not think that, I think that so much of politics has moved online. Also, how, and this is where I'm less optimistic, but I'm going to keep this message going. I think it's really important for young people not to think that politics happens only online.
And Ron, what would you advise?
I couldn't agree more with that. Was this supposed to be a debate? We're agreeing on everything. Jennifer said it so well. I would just reinforce that. I think that, we need, in addition to, yes, getting off the screen is important because the screen allows people to engage in behavior that's a bit more, it has more animosity because the various, face-to-face reflexes that we have are stripped away. But you also, this is an important point she was making here, you need to exercise politics and do it at the local level. Pick a cause that you care about, find other people who share your views and start advocating for change in that area in a positive direction.